This project sits on a 20,320 square meters of property. And when it's finished, this development will have 4 towers, 2 of which will be facing Ouano Avenue, and the other 2 will be facing Cebu Avenue.
We've always advocated like a balanced lifestyle. That's why we're advocating for race net connect. So we understand people's need to always strive for the best in their lives. That's why we're saying that you raise your game, because we all want the best person.
The other one, which I really think also they would really be excited for, is the 1.3 hectares of amenities. It's the largest, as far as I know, within RLC Residences in terms of the sheer size of the amenities that we're giving away.
One of the biggest, if not the biggest, that we are developing for any of our projects in RLC Residences. So we know that there's really something for everyone and anyone who will eventually live in Mantawi Residences.